This is a sound bucket test for the product from Amarok Products. It's Rockwool, and what we have here is a bucket that has 3 inches of Rockwool lined on the sides and on the bottom, and then a mineral Rockwool lid. And for the test, we have a standard panic alarm here from Radio Shack. I'm going to pull this and I'll place it down in the bucket, and then you'll hear immediately the sound absorption qualities of the Rockwool. And when I place the lid on, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. As you can see, the sound virtually disappears whenever the lid is installed. The Rockwool has pretty much absorbed the sound of the panic alarm, which is still operating. That concludes our test.